Hey, we're going ahead and get straight into it. These sneakers right here, I literally waited 20 years to cop. And if you guys know me, you know a little bit about, saying your boy the Vintage, you know exactly why I'm super excited to finally unbox this pair right here. We have another episode of Sneaker Grills. What's going on, everybody on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. You guys already know the rundown, man. If you're new to the channel and you're already liking what you're seeing, man, please hit that subscribe button so you can stick around. Check out some of the content we have scheduled for you guys for the remainder of 2023. Content only gonna get better, and of course, we're gonna be showing you guys a lot more early pairs in the near future. So hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of that content that we are about to, drop for the Vintage Squad. And leave this video with a huge like. The like button goes a long way. You guys probably don't know it. So if you watch this video, we're premiering this thing, be interacting with you guys live in the comments. Smack that like button. That definitely help the channel grow. Put us in the algorithm. You guys are gonna go, man, 100K before the end of the year. I know we're gonna do it with you guys' support. And all my social media links will be linked down below in the description box. Twitter, IG, clothing brand, all that good stuff is down below. But the most important, especially if you want to hit on like shock drops, restocks, and like good stuff, push out information super quickly, retweet stuff that I see on Twitter. You definitely want to go head over there, follow your boy, turn those post notifications on in case anything pop off, and you guys will know first before everybody over on YouTube. All right, man, we got the package in right now. We're gonna unbox these things for you guys, but I literally did wait 20 years to, to cop these. I seen them 20 years ago, and I said, you know what, I'm definitely going to get them one day. And now we're here 20 years later. It's crazy to even think about. We finally have them in the collection. It's like an all-time girl for me. Something I've always wanted. I was putting bids on, StockX here and there just so I can get the best price. And the next thing you know, I seen a shop online. I forget the name of it. I think it was St. Alfred. It was St. Alfred's website. And I didn't even know if it was legit or not. And I started doing a couple reviews, went to their, their Instagram page. And it's an actual retail sneaker shop where they sell other different products and stuff like that. And they had my size. I said, there's no way this, these joints is currently sitting on the site. There's a couple sizes left, and these things flew off of the Nike sneakers app when they just retroed a couple of days ago. So it feels good, man. It definitely feels good to finally have them in. A lot of you guys probably already know what they are. So y'all probably already know what it is, but we gotta build that anticipation up, build that hype up, because like I said, I am super excited to finally have these in. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and pop the box open if I can. Let's go ahead and get in there. You got the St. Alfred box up top. Oh, it's a bag. That's dope. Check it out, man. Check out what they got to offer. Let me go this way real quick. So you got the St. Alfred bag in there. So I guess, they got the shoe from the back. They got the bag. And it's all, part of the presentation as far as when you copy stuff from them. And I'm definitely going to keep my eye out for St. Alfred in the near future because I never even heard about this shop. It is in Chicago, Illinois. So it's definitely something I might check out whenever I do visit Chicago because your boy still has never touched down in Chicago. So here you have it. Check out this St. Alfred bag. Pretty dope presentation. It's time, bro. It's time to finally unveil these things, man. Let's go ahead and check them out. Pull them out the box. And hold on, bro. It's finally time, man. Look at the box, bro. Check out the box. You got that OG Nike box. Super clean, super nostalgic. Like I said, 20 years when these first dropped. And yeah, let's go ahead and read the official size tag, colorway. A lot of you guys probably like, yo, did he really just say this is a grail? Yes, it's a grail for me. And I'm gonna explain all that once we show y'all what they are, man. So Air Zoom Generation white, and midnight navy. And like I said, I got these joints in a size 9. They feel super light. I have a couple pair of the Zoom Generation LeBrons. And let's go ahead and get into it, man. And I'm gonna take the receipt out of here, the little invoice, and peel these things open in 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. Check them out. Your boy's excited, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Time has finally come, bruh. I remember watching Bron playing these joints when I was a kid, bro. I'm talking about super young. LeBron was like my Jordan to a lot of people out there. I know it's a lot of people that really love a certain other player. That's how it was about LeBron. So when you think of Jordan 1, I think of the Zoom Generations for LeBron, and these things are so clean, super nostalgic. I remember him hooping in these against Carmelo Anthony in a couple of games. This is like the home version of a sneaker. He had the black pair that he did actually rock first, but in his first home game, I believe he had these joints on right here. And the colorway, that Zoom generation look, the vibe, everything is super clean, just crispy, bro. I honestly might not ever wear these just because I gotta get another pair. Like, I want to have a pair on ice for a very, very long time to come. Because when LeBron retire, I'm telling y'all, it's gonna be hard to get some of these Zoom generations, these LeBron 9s, these LeBron 8s. What else? Sometimes 10. Some people really love 10s as well. But let's go ahead and check both of these beauties out, man. And bang, bro. Look at them. Super OG, super nostalgic, man. LeBron. So everybody should know I am a huge LeBron advocate, like a super fan. I never went, to the extreme. Like, I ain't got a tattoo or nothing. I might have him in the future, but I do have Strive for Greatness on my arm. Everybody can't even see it. Probably won't even pick up, but I need to get touched up. I had this for a very, very long time. But these right here have to be one of my all-time grails. Like I said, I watched them when I was a kid, and I said I really want those sneakers that he had on. I was the same way about Michael Vick. Like, I was rocking a pair of Vicks. I think it was Nike or Adidas. I can't even remember. But I begged my mom to give me a pair of Michael Vick sneakers. I was finally able to get it. Yeah, it was Nike. And I rocked those things till I had holes in the sole. You know what I'm saying? That's how big of a Michael Vick fan I really was. And now we have something, that's probably, it's not like near dear to me, but it is super dope to finally have them. That's why I did call this the Sneaker Girl series, because I've waited on these for very, very, very long time. 20 years, bro. He debuted these in 2003, and now we in 2023, bro. Like, where did the time go? Like, I remember just, sitting in front of the TV, watching LeBron playing, and like, yo, that dude is hard. Like, he tough. Like, super tough. And now we have it here today. So like I said, huge LeBron fan. Super happy that I got these. And they have the date actually when he wore these. So November the 5th, 2003. I don't know if you guys can pick up that date right there. So it says 11/5/2023 around the inside. I might have to show you guys some B-roll. And it kind of has like this nice little velvet material on the inner. And you got the ballistic mesh on the outer of the sneaker, and of course when you go to the medial side, you got that same little ballistic mesh, and then you have like this little ventilation system on the side, so let your feet breathe a little bit. And I'm gonna try to put a couple photos up in here. LeBron actually hooping in these joints. Of course, he did not have the little blue strip because this paint actually does chip. I have a couple more LeBrons, so I'm gonna show you guys here in a second. But once you peel this off, it's not gonna be protected anymore, and the more you wear it, the more, you're at risk for that paint to kind of chip off. So I'm gonna peel it off just a little bit for you guys. I'm gonna put it back on because, like I said, I might have to double up on these. Your boy might even be hooping in these itself. So you got that, little chrome metallic finish on the back of the sneaker. I thought that was pretty dope. And it says peel off. This chrome finish will flake off with use over time, of course. It's like any other sneaker. You wear it a long time, some stuff gonna start, falling apart. Yo, so like I said, I'm gonna show you guys the other two pair that I have. I have I think this is the All-Star Game version that they did. It was normally like the Vachetta tan colorway, but you guys can see it's like this nice, weird little smooth leather going all the way around the sneaker thing. This is actually the first Bron that he hooped in. The all black pair, same as the white one. This was a away game, so they debuted the black pair. Traditionally, like I said, you wear darker colors when you are away. When you're home, you wear that all white. So here goes. I think these are like the official first game LeBron Zoom generations. So here you go, all three pair. I do have a pair of 9s, got a pair of 10s. I got a couple other pairs of LeBrons. And if you guys don't remember, like one of my first episodes of Sneaker Girls, if I'm not mistaken, was when I unboxed the Big Bang LeBron 9s, man. Super clean, one of the best colorways to ever drop in the LeBron 9, in my opinion. Got the Galaxy little, carbon fiber plate down there, glow in the dark outsoles. And these things right here just speaks for themselves. Make sure you guys hit that like button right now, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and please hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we ever drop on the channel. Like I said, all my social media links will be down below. Go tap in over there ASAP. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in next video. Peace.